guys, this is Mulator back at it with another video for you guys, and today we'll be doing a $300 gaming PC build. Now at $300, I think this is a great PC for getting into PC gaming, and it costs just the same as a console. The benchmarks for this PC are not available because the GPU in this build, the RX 460, has not been released yet. But let's get on with the rest of the build. For the CPU, it chose the AMD Athlon X4 845 for only $68. Now this is a quad core, which is really important in most games, since most games recommend it and they're really starting to utilize all those cores. It's also clocked at 3.5 GHz, which is not bad at all, and you can do some light overclocking to improve that. For the motherboard, I chose the ASRock F2 A78M Pro 3 Plus for only $50. Now this has 6 SATA 6 GB ports. Now this also has some nice motherboard features like support for RAID and USB 3.0 headers. It also has 4 RAM slots, which provides a really great upgrade route for your RAM. Now speaking of RAM, I chose the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB set for only $28. This is a 1x8GB set clocked at 1600 MHz. Now this is probably about average for DDR3 RAM these days. Now 8GB is perfect amount for gaming, and you can also do some video editing on this as well. For the hard drive, I chose the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive for only $47. Now this spins at 7200 RPM, which is average and normal for most mainstream hard drives. Now this is a mass storage drive for all of your games and media files that you're going to be storing on this PC. Now next up, for the GPU, I chose the AMD RX 460 for $100. Now this really hasn't been released yet, so there aren't many benchmarks for it. But this should be in GTX 950 territory. Since this consumes only 75 watts, the performance per watt ratio is great. Now next up for the case, I chose the DIY Solo T1-BK for only $30. Now personally, I really like the looks of this case, and it's also available in red if you really want that. It also features USB 3.0 ports, which is a really nice feature, especially in budget end cases. It also features cable management holes, which is going to make cable management so much easier, and it's going to make your PC look a lot cleaner. So all around, this is actually a pretty nice budget case. Now for the power supply, I chose the EVGA 430W ATX power supply for only $30. Now the price fluctuates on this power supply, so you can often get it for cheaper, and I've seen this get as low as $10 before. So be on the lookout for deals on this power supply as they occur very often. Now this is also 80+ certified, making it pretty reliable since it guarantees that 80% of the power is going to be delivered to your PC at all times. And also EVGA has a good track record with power supplies, and they are known for having great capacitors. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, like it. If you hate everything about life, dislike it, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.